Unemployment is a big problem in most of the countries. I'm Ivo and I'm from Bulgaria.
I'm Hande from Turkey.
I'm Marcin from Poland.
I'm Teodora from Bulgaria, and we will tell you something more about reasons and solutions to unemployment.
Ne düşünüyorsunuz ve nasıl çözebiliriz?
Üretim yapılması lazım, yeni iş yerlerinin açılması lazım.
More students stop their education. Before graduation, students don't gain experience, and after graduation, they have to work, but they don't have enough experience to be hired. Jobs aren't enough in countryside because of political and economical issues. There are more young people entering the jobs market, and then the number of the jobs for the young people retire later, so there are less jobs for young people to do.
Government can pay the employers who hire long-term unemployed people. Subsidies can be paid to unemployed to help them start their own business. Government subsidies professional courses after which people gain skills which will help them to find a job.
Students in universities should get some practice in order to gain experience and to decide if the job is the right one. People should develop their personal skills like teamworking, languages, social skills and others. Developing social network of people who may help each other to find a job is also important. Learn how to write a CV and how to behave during an interview for equip individuals in the variety of qualifications and skills sought by employers in the labor market. Provide adequate education and training is also important.
Bulmak için hangi yollara başvurabiliriz?
Bir işe başlayabilmesi için Türkiye'de İşkur denilen devlet dairesinde kaydının olması gerekiyor. Burada kaydına göre ihtiyaç duyulan iş kollarında istihdamı gerçekleştiriliyor. Tabi bunun için de işsiz insanın belirli bir eğitim, temel eğitimi, başvuru yapacağı konuyla ilgili temel eğitimini alması gerekiyor. Aldığı bu eğitime göre iş kollarında istihdamı gerçekleştiriliyor.
Ne düşünüyorsunuz ve nasıl çözebiliriz?
Üretim yapılması lazım, yeni iş yerlerinin açılması lazım.
Unemployment is a problem, but there are some solutions to it. If we use them, we can make unemployment lower in our countries. We hope that the more people issue, the easier it will be to provide work for everybody.